Hello, hello. Which number will the dice pick today? Number 5. The recipe for friendship. The time it takes to make is forever, and it serves all. And how to make it? 1 bag of listening, 2 cups of respect, 1 ounce of trust, 1 pinch of caring, and a cup of good times. The directions says to mix all ingredients well and serve with love. How cute. And the cards today. Take charge. Don't wait for the stars to align. Reach up and arrange them the way you want. Instead of thinking outside the box, get rid of the box. Adventure awaits. Go find it. And then our little envelope of quotes. Our children learn from who we are. The meaning of life is giving life meaning. Pay attention to when and why people want to talk to you. That's a good one. Don't take things so seriously. Make time for play. Be open to the rewards of change. All right, thanks for stopping by.